In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Shippo shipping in Shopify. If you're looking to streamline your shipping process, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get started with these straightforward steps. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the control center where you'll manage everything related to your online store. So make sure you're logged in and ready to go. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu. From this menu, you'll need to click on Apps. This section is where you can browse, manage, and install apps that enhance the functionality of your Shopify store. It's essentially your toolbox for adding extra features to your shop. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll notice a search bar. Simply type in Shippo to locate the app within Shopify. Now, it's important to ensure you're selecting the correct app, so double-check that the app listing indeed says Shippo Shipping. Once you've verified that, go ahead and click on the app name to be taken to its dedicated app page. This page provides a detailed overview of what the app offers, user reviews, and additional information to help you confirm it's the right fit for your needs. After reviewing the details, look for the button that says Install. Click on it to initiate the installation process. Keep in mind that some apps may require certain permissions to be granted to function properly, so be prepared to approve these if prompted. Once the installation is complete, you're almost there. Following the installation, you'll need to go through the setup process. The app will likely guide you through this with step-by-step prompts. This process is essential as it ensures the app is configured to your specific requirements, so take your time to go through each step. You might need to input some details regarding your shipping preferences, address information, or connect to your existing shipping accounts, depending on how Shippo is designed to integrate with Shopify. And that covers everything. With Shippo shipping now installed and set up on your Shopify store, you can efficiently handle your shipping tasks, potentially saving you both time and hassle. Congratulations! You've successfully added a powerful shipping tool to your Shopify store, optimizing the way you manage orders and ensuring a smoother experience for your customers. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Remember, your Shopify journey doesn't stop here. There are countless other apps and customizations you can explore to make your store even better. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.